Making indirect requests with "I was hoping." Mastering polite English. Hello and welcome back, English language learners. In today's lesson, we'll delve into a specific form of indirect requests and offers, using the phrase, "I was hoping." This phrasing is particularly useful when you want to make your request or offer sound more polite and less direct. Let's get started. The phrase, "I was hoping," is often used in English to make a polite and direct request or offer. It adds a layer of formality and politeness, helping to avoid sounding too direct or demanding. It's commonly used in both spoken and written English, especially in more formal settings. For instance, instead of saying, "Can you help me with my homework?" you could say, "I was hoping you could help me with my homework." Notice how the second sentence sounds less direct and more polite. Recognizing when to use "I was hoping" can elevate your English communication skills. It's often used in situations where you're asking for a favor, making a request, or expressing a desire that involves another person's action or decision. Here are a few scenarios where this phrase would be appropriate. 1. When you're asking your boss for a day off. "I was hoping I could take next Friday off." 2. When you're requesting a friend to lend you a book. "I was hoping you could lend me that book you mentioned last week." 3. When you're asking a teacher for extra help. "I was hoping you could give me some extra practice exercises." Remember, while "I was hoping" is a polite way to make a request, it's also more indirect. Be sure to use it in contexts where a higher level of formality or politeness is expected. Now, let's put our learning into practice. Here are a few situations for you to try forming sentences using "I was hoping." 1. You want to ask your neighbor to keep their music volume down. 2. You'd like to request your colleague to switch shifts with you. 3. You're interested in asking your friend if you can borrow their car for the weekend. Try to formulate requests for these situations using the phrase, "I was hoping." Pause the video, write your sentences, and then resume to compare them with our suggestions. Pause. Here are our suggestions. 1. I was hoping you could keep the music a bit lower, especially during the night. Thank you. 2. I was hoping we could switch shifts next week. Would that work for you? 3. I was hoping I could borrow your car for the weekend. Would that be okay? Great job, everyone! Remember, using "I was hoping" can help make your requests and offers sound more polite and less direct. Keep practicing to become comfortable with this phrase and elevate your English communication skills. Stay tuned for more lessons on conversational English, and as always, keep practicing and never stop learning. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.